Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, and good morning Miss Inta Aziz as my lecturer. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abul Aziz. I'm from English Literature. In this video I will present about my proposal. The title is Analyzes the Use Profanity Vocabulary in the Film Series The Boys Season 1 in 2019. So the first explanation in chapter 1 is background of study. In background of study there is language and culture, communication, taboo, profanity, and the reason this film to using profanity. According to Daniel 2013, language is the expression of ideas by means of which speech, sound are combined to form words. Culture is a complex system of programs that shape human behavior and social life, influencing the reproduction and alteration of social life in various forms. Communication is the act of conveying information from one person to another person. According to Feynman 2009, taboo is prescription on behavior for a specific community. In specific content, taboos arise out of social constraints on the individual behavior where it can cause discomfort, harm, or injury. According to Feldman, profanity refers to the use of obscene language including taboo or swear words, which in ordinary social cycle is considered inappropriate and in some situations unacceptable. The use of profanity can appear in song, lyric, film, book, and something casual setting. In certain film series which are considered have a lot of profanity can be found in this film series The Boy. The use of profanity in this film can help the audience feel the same emotion as the character. The series tries to depict a profanity full of characters who don't always have the highest morale. Profanity helps emphasize the character personalized and background, making them feel more real. The series often uses profanity to highlight and criticize various social and cultural aspects. For example, the character Homelander used profanity to demonstrate his power and his regard for others. Moreover, there is a character named Billy Butcher, who is the central character, who often uses profanity. This reflects his tough background and personal grudge against superheroes. The characters in this film show their emotion through the use of profanity, and this is interesting for the research to study because they can observe how these characters convey their feeling with profanity when solving their case. The next is statement of the problems. Based on the explanation in the background of study, the statement of problem is: what are type of profanity used in The Boys film season 1? The second is, how are profanity used by each character in The Boys film season 1? Next is scope and limitation. The scope of study is linguistic text, a social phenomenon called profanity in film The Boys. Limitation of the study is focuses on type of profanity and how profanity is used in the film The Boys season 1. Object of profanity. The first objective, to describe the types of profanity that used in film The Boys season 1. Second, to describe the function of using profanity that used in film The Boys season 1. Next is function of study. The function of study is contributed in two aspects. The first, theoretical function. The study adds to knowledge about linguistics, especially sociolinguistics. Moreover, it can be used to enrich knowledge about the use of profanity in a film. The study it is hoped that can provide information regarding strategies for using profanity in everyday communication. Second, in practically function, the study aims to offer a fresh perspective on profanity. especially the type and function used in film. Moreover, this study is expected to produce a simple explanation that increases the reader's understanding for the use of profanity. Let's move to the chapter 2. In the chapter 2, there is a latest study. In the latest study, I saw 3 previous studies. The first is an analysis of profanity in English lyric by Nur Fatihah binti Amdan and Azia Nurahani Sari, 2020. The second is profanity usage and effect uttered by female character in Mean Girl movie by Amos Ruben Panjaitan and Arsen Nahum Pasaribu, 2023. The last study from Windy Ariani, 2021. The title is An Analysis of Profanity Uttered by Male and Female Indonesian YouTuber. Next is Review of Literature. In Review Literature, there is Sociolinguistic. According to Rodal, 2006, sociolinguistic is the study about language that is related to society, that the language related with the use of languages spoken by society in the end. Next, there is language and culture. According to Daly, 2013, language is a complex structure of vocabulary and grammar which serve as the main means of communication. Culture is a complex system of programs that shape human behavior and social life, influencing the reproduction and alteration of social life in various forms. Next is taboo. According to Feynman, 2009, taboo is prospection on behavior for a specific community in a specific context. Taboo arises out of social constraint on the individual behavior where it can cause discomfort, harm, or injury. The next is profanity. According to Feldman, profanity refers to the obscene language, including taboo and swear words, which in regular social settings are considered inappropriate and in some situations unacceptable. The next is type profanity and function. The type profanity, according to J. 1992, there are several categories of profanity. They are sex organ, deviant sexual act, being sexually violent, social sexual derivation, and animal. Next is function of profanity. Function profanity, according to Pinker, 2007, there are 5 purposes of profanity. The first one is dysphemistic, empathic, idiomatic, sarcastic, and abusive. The last one in chapter 2 is theoretical framework. The study uses 3 different theories which are very important because they form the basis of the analysis. The first theory, forwarded by Timothy J. in the book Coursing in America, which analyzes the type of curse word or profanity. And the second theory by Wardell in 2006 in the book Introduction to Linguistics, which to examine the role of swear word in society. The last theory from Feldman, 2017, which explanation the meaning and significance of profanity. Next, we move to the chapter 3. In chapter 3, there are approach of study. The study uses a descriptive qualitative approach which focuses on how the researcher engaged the explanation of this study. According to Asper and Co., 2019, qualitative research is an iterative process that improves understanding of a phenomenon by making new significant distinctions, bridging the gap between qualitative and quantitative research. Next is data source. This study, data were taken from by film The Boys 2019 in season 1, episode 1 until 8. Several episodes were chosen because they have the appropriate type and function profanity based on Timothy J. theory and worked-out theory. Next is data collection. In data collection, the study observes film by watching the film. This study focuses on profanity in conversation in the film. To find out the clearer expression, this study copied the profanity by looking at the conversation of the character in the film. Next, the study the profanity that has been copied. Then the study identified the profanity. The last explanation is data analysis. This study took several steps to analyze the data. The first step was taken categories profanity in conversation based on Timothy J. theory. The second step is to identify the type of profanity based on Timothy J. theory. The third step is to analyze the profanity function based on Timothy J. theory. The first question in this research used Maybury theory. The second question used worked-out theory. The study uses SI in paragraph to show analysis of the type of profanity based on data. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.